Samsung is releasing some significant improvements to the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and here is what we have all been wearing from Samsung. We are aware that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a single hinge design that is similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 3's hinge design. But it has a significant feature, which is the IPX8 rating, which distinguishes it from its rivals, who use the teardrop hinge but lack an important feature, which is waterproofing. Therefore, the Z Fold 4 clearly has an advantage over their rival. Surprisingly, Samsung is finally opting for the water drop hinge design on the Fold 5 this year. But there's a twist. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will also have an IPX8 certification, which means it will be a waterproof phone, much like the Z Fold 4, and it will be a better product than its rivals. With this new hinge design, we may anticipate some significant changes in the 4.5. The new hinge will make the Z Fold 5 considerably smaller than the Z Fold 4, and according to IC Universe, the Z Fold 5 will have a thickness range of 13mm as opposed to 15.8mm on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. On paper, the number seems larger, but in practice, it will not significantly affect the user experience of using a Galaxy Z Fold 5. Another significant update for this release is a flat folded display, which means there will be no gap when Fold 5 is folded, which I think is great since it gives it a beautiful clean flat appearance. We can only hope that this new hinge will increase cruise visibility with time and be less noticeable. The battery life of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will also change as a result of the device's significantly smaller fold. The 4400 mAh battery capacity, identical to the Galaxy Samsung Fold 4, is the least we can anticipate. I don't believe there will be a battery issue since, with new technology like as a power-efficient CPU and a new display, we can anticipate the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to have a longer battery life than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Today there are rumors that Samsung can include the S Pen integrated into the body, but owing to space constraints, they are abandoning the concept of placing the S Pen in the Fold 5 body, which is a strange thing since I truly hoped it was coming within the body. According to the leak, adding the S Pen to the body would increase the thickness of the phone, something Samsung did not desire at the time. Thus, because this leak is not tangible, take it with a grain of salt. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.